Hello! By the end of this video, you are going to know how to save items you have found in a search to a list in your library account. We're going to start on the home page at library.anderson.edu, and we're going to put in our search terms. And start our search. When we get our results page, we're going to look through and see if we can find any items that fit our search terms. I'm starting to see things that look like they might fit what I'm looking for, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in to my library account using my Anderson University username and password. Now that I'm signed in, I'm going to very quickly run over to my account and pull up saved lists. I'm going to create a list for the search I'm doing right now. Now that I have created my list, I'm going to pop back into my search and start saving items. Once I have a few things that look interesting to me, that might help me in my search or in my report, I am going to go into my account again, but this time I'm going to go to saved items. Every time we start an item, this is where it's going to be saved temporarily. What we need to do is we make sure that everything we have saved is selected on this list, and then all we need to do is move these items to the correct list in our saved lists. Now, every time you sign into your account, you will be able to go into My Personal Lists and look at the items you have saved in previous searches. If you have any questions, or if you want a little help getting used to using this service, please feel free to ask at the library front desk or any of the ways that you contact a library.